5 personal finance rules everyone should follow in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name, the place where we make your money work smarter, not harder. Today, I'm sharing 5 personal finance rules you must follow in 2025 to save more, invest better, and build real financial confidence. Whether you're a student, a professional, or planning your future, this is for you. So let's get started. Rule number 1, automate your finances. Voiceover with visuals of apps and bank automation. The first rule is automate everything you can. Savings, investing, bills, and emergency funds. When you automate, you pay yourself first without thinking about it. Studies and creators across finance platforms highlight automation as one of the top money habits for 2025. It reduces impulsive spending and builds consistent savings over time. YouTube Pro tip. Set up recurring transfers to your investments and high-interest savings accounts right after payday. Rule number 2, budget with intent. 130 to 215. Cut to budget charts phone apps. Second, budget with a purpose. Don't just track your money, plan it. In 2025, budgeting trends focus on purposeful spending, deciding ahead of time what every rupee is for. Apps like Notion, Google Sheets, or digital budget tools make intentional budgeting easier than ever. YouTube, here's the key. If you don't assign a job for your money, it vanishes into random spends. Rule number 3, learn smart investing. Visuals of stocks, mutual funds, SIPs. Rule 3, invest early and wisely. Even small monthly SIPs or index fund contributions can grow massively over time thanks to compounding. Experts stress that starting early and staying consistent beats timing the market. YouTube, for beginners in India, consider mutual funds, ETFs, or a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk. Rule number 4, multiple income streams. Show examples: freelancing, side hustle, passive income. Rule 4, don't rely on just one income. In 2025 personal finance trends, multiple income streams are becoming essential for financial stability, especially in uncertain economies. Subscriber. This could be freelancing, dividends, rental income, online courses, or side gigs. Start with one that matches your skills and then slowly scale. Even an extra $5,000 monthly can make a big difference. Rule number 5, build financial habits. B-roll of habits: journaling, tracking, goal setting. Lastly, habits over hacks. Quick tips might help once, but long-term habits build wealth. Things like reviewing your money goals monthly, tracking expenses weekly, and learning new finance skills will transform your financial life over the years. Many success-focused creators and coaches say that behavior and mindset matters more than any trick. Subscriber. It's not just what you do, it's what you keep doing. #outrow5530. On camera. All right, that's it. My top 5 personal finance rules for 2025. Which one will you start today? Comment below. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making insights every week. See you next time.